What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. And today's video, we're gonna do a what's in the box challenge. Basically, I'm putting things in the box, blindfold my contestants. They're gonna have to figure out what's in the box by touch. So I forgot to do my intro yesterday, so I'm doing it now. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn that post notification on, man. And it's OGTV and it's White Pree, and I'm out this bitch. Run the intro.
Got time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime. Round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist. I think you know how this gonna go. I am the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now that I'm back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, all locked up, getting pat down.
There's no movement type of animals, right? No animals, right?
What the fuck is that?
No animals, right?
Why you?
Okay, I'm allergic to animals.
Dog, what the fuck that mean?
Yeah, you scared. Is it moving?
That bitch calling me. Mike. Where you mean? Hey, this is. Move on, you ain't know.
Oh, God, what is this? What is this?
What you like?
What is that?
Dog.
What is it? Crystal? Icing?
Dog, what is? I know, ice pop.
It's a fucking sausage. It's a cold sausage.
Yeah, my arms smell like sausage, dog. I see that.
Yo,
Oh, what is that? Nah, what is it? Oh,
Oh shit.
Is this a toy mouse?
Yeah, you got it. What is it?
Play-Doh. You right? What the fuck? Is this food?
It's some type of food.
I don't eat shit like this, bro. What is this, bro?
Boy, if you don't get
Wait. Hold on.
I know what this is.
Is it gonna bite me? I just want to know that. Is it gonna crawl on me? It's not gonna bite me? No, it's not bite. Make sure you're not alive. Alright. Are y'all lying?
Yo, the dog being left that
Oh my god.
Oh,
Wait, go down more?
Yeah. Go down with you. Touch your body. Yeah, go down.
Oh!
I'm used to this.
Did I touch it? What the fuck? Hey! What the fuck I gotta be doing? Alright, I'm gonna try it again. It's not gonna move?
No.
Are you sure?
I promise.
Alright, how close am I to it?
It's like, oh.
You're warm. Hot there for.
Is it moving?
Come on.
Hold on. Alright. Oh. Why the fuck y'all put a condom in here?
Wait a minute.
What is that? What is that? It's on top.
No, it's in the box.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What the fuck is? What
the fuck is that?
Bro, I'm scared.
But no
Is it
problem.
a lie?
No, yeah.
So nobody's answering me. Is it a lie?
No, it's not alive. No, that shit. Is it alive?
Stop fucking playing.
Come on, yo.
It's squeaky. What the fuck? What is it a toy? Is it a toy? It's a toy rat. I'm not touching it.
If I know what you would do, I won't shake.
What the fuck? This some type of food?
Huh?
It's some type of food?
What kind of food?
I don't know. It feels stale though.
Yeah,
Ramen noodles?
you get it.
Yeah.
I feel like my nuts and like freezer type shit.
What?
I feel like my nut and like freezer type shit. That's what it feels like. Like
They're a
Play-Doh.
dick in the box.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh my god, no,
Why is my hand wet?
because you put it in something.
Is it a vagina?
Good guy.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
You go to a sperm bank or something.
This is fucking disgusting.
Hey, look. I mean, all right, look. Is it Play-Doh?
Yeah, come on, somebody gotta guess the win.
Is it Jello?
Nah. You
Is
warm,
it
though.
wrong?
I'll give you a hit, you warm.
It's cold as shit. Is it lube? No, like dead serious. What
No,
the fuck
it's
is
not.
it?
Nah, it's
It's
cold to
so-
be lubricant.
I mean, they could have put it in the freezer though.
Why would you put lube in the freezer?
Because it's meant to trick us or
Put
something.
lube in like out so you can put it on the ass.
Why you forget?
I mean, I guess.
Why? No, the kid didn't bad
This is really thick.
Nah, I smell like sweet shit, so I know it's like close to Jello or something.
I don't smell shit.
That's cause you.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Is this whipped cream?
Is it pudding?
It's not warm. It's very cold. It's not warm.
It's similar to pudding, but it's not.
Syrup, molasses.
I just got my nails done. I'm upset.
I said molasses.
Cold as shit. Okay, is it like? Oh, I smell sweet. It smells like strawberry. Is this yogurt?
Yes, finally. Somebody wins.
Cream cheese. That's it.
What the fuck is that? Ew, bro. What the fuck is
Wait,
this?
hold on.
Oh, shit. Can I smell it? What the fuck is that?
Don't that.
Ew, bro. Yeah, what the fuck is this? They feel like chocolate.
You feel like what?
Melted chocolate.
No.
Gummies.
No.
Boo boo?
What?
This shit doo doo?
Who
Oh,
got that shit and put it in
what
there?
is this, nigga? Like tea?
Huh?
Nah, it ain't tea.
Tea.
It's like crazy sand.
Is that?
Is it
Is
gum?
it cottage cheese or something?
Is what? You close. You close.
Oh, ice cream.
Nah.
Caramel.
Cheese. American cheese.
You close.
It's like.
Is it? What? Why does it
That's
smell like that,
like-
bro?
Sour cream or something.
You close. You on it, but you ain't there yet, right? You ain't thinking the right way.
Bro, what is this, bro?
I know more smell it, nigga. Feel it. You might as well taste it now.
I might just taste it, right? Taste it? I should taste it, nigga?
It ain't gonna kill you.
Hell nah, they gonna taste this, bro. I gonna taste it, bro. Bro, I don't know what this is, bro. What is this, bro? Is it cheese? It's not cheese?
Is it?
Some type of cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. Damn.
It's cold.
Solid cheese.
Solid cheese.
fucking.
Is it?
Oh. Cow cheese. Cheese, nigga. It's just cheese, bro. Blue cheese.
No, y'all niggas close, but you ain't there.
What the? Is it white or black?
What?
I can't even tell you that. What kind of cheese is black? Hold up, I'll go with it.
Taste it,
Alright,
bro?
y'all taste it. It's a type of cheese. Taste it.
Is it worse?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What the fuck is that?
I don't want to taste it.
What the fuck is that? Oh, cream cheese.
You stupid.
Yeah, cream cheese. That's it, nasty. Oh my god. Yo, what that? Yo, what that? Yo. I worm everywhere.
I know you talking. I wear him, baby. Can't tell me nothing. Yeah.
Go back a little bit more. Keep going.
I don't know what that is. It got something like a little hair. It had hair on it now. Where am I just stripping? I don't want to touch it.
Alright, pick it up. It's not gonna bite you.
I don't want to touch it. What the fuck is this? Tell me. Fucking
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
oh. Is that a condom?
Is it what?
Is that a condom? That's filthy. Later, you guys, make sure you guys follow my Instagram, Gigi Lachey. Don't forget it.
Bang and Josh.
Okay, here.
Bang and Josh. Just go ahead.
Where the weed at with the smoke? I thought spliff met my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, turn in a ghost. Why do some boy them for no? We not take this on the road. Think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby.